So there is a Rajinikanth movie, and there is a song in that movie which comes out like Goppanakum Baba, Patanakum Baba, means I don't know what is the meaning, or I don't know how to translate in English, because I forgot the name of the movie, and I also don't know how to translate, because what it says is your father also, even if your father also comes, even if your grandfather also come, nothing is going to happen, something like that, right? So if you don't know, some Tamil people will comment on the comment section below. You can go and check there, right? Now, what is happening in terms of market? We told yesterday maybe 22,000 will be taken out, and that is exactly what has happened. Market has already taken. We have gap down at around 21,900, and unfortunately we are trying, bulls are trying to close above 22,100, or let's say 22,000, even 22,100. There is a huge resistance at around 21,000, right? So 21,000, maybe if the market goes to around 21,000, there is every possibility for the market to reverse and hit back around 22,000 levels. So they have written huge orders between 22,000 and 22,100. So we'll have to wait and see where the market takes us, in spite of global phenomena, in spite of global issues. And we have talked about this many times. This Trump is a madman, mad titan. He comes out with one thing or another every day, and there is uncertainty in terms of market. As we told, there is lots of FII pressure on us. DIAs are not able to support. Even we posted a dedicated video, how much long will this DIA support. If you see the monthly figure, this month's figure, I'm saying, in spite of DIAs buying more than what FIIs are selling, still the market is down, right? It's already 15% down. Maybe it is the bottom. We really don't know. Now what I'm trying to say here is that now if I say something, or if we say market is going to reverse, that is not going to happen. Yesterday's video also I told why it will not happen. For something to happen, or something, unless until there is really positive news, nothing is going to happen, right? Market is not going to go on the higher side. If you think the market will go on the higher side and you have a gut feeling, I'm really sorry for you. Market is not going to go anywhere anytime soon on the higher side. It is history. Whoever bought would have been in loss. I'm really sorry for them. We cannot do anything. And this is the advantage of option trading. When you compare stock trading, stock investing with option trading, no matter whether the market goes is trending or market is on the sideways, you are making money, right? But there is a myth that option trading is very injurious. Even we told about option buying only, but we never tell about option selling. Nothing bad about option selling. Option selling is like a business, but when you go to option buying, lots of problem comes. You will find it very hard to manage option buying, is what I would say. Or maybe I don't know what is option buying. Maybe there is some strategies which can profit in terms of option buying. So there are lots of things. I'm not going into that. But for now, every rise is an selling opportunity, which we have been saying for a long time, maybe 2 or 3 videos. Today also I'm saying maybe I'm shooting this video at around 241. Maybe we'll have to wait and see whether the market is closing above 22,000, or below 22,000. So that is a very, very crucial point. If there is any close above 22,000, there is a slight chance that the market will go on the higher side. If that is not happening, then we are maybe heading towards around 21,500 or 21,000, below 21,900 or 800. Now if we see this chart in a hourly perspective, you will have a good idea of what is happening. Let me close this one, and you can see there is a trend line formation which we have done a long time back, and you can see there is every possibility that 21,500 will be coming soon in the coming days, is what I believe. Now if we say a contra view, if we take a contra view, let's say market has to go to 23,000, or let's say 23,200, let me tell you, As I told you yesterday, bears are very aggressive, bears are very strong, and possibility of market going on the higher side is very very high, right? So that's what we are saying. There is no news in terms of positive news or in terms of negative news in terms of US Federal Reserve or something like that, or Reserve Bank of India. Will have to wait for binary events, or we have to wait for important data. So the major possibility or the majority of the people in the market or in our Telegram group believe that the market will go on the downside. So if you are not part of our Telegram group, I will leave the link in the description below. We discuss a lot of things in our Telegram group. So if you want, you can join our Telegram group also. And I'll also show you something that if you see here, this one, this person, Mr. sorry, Mr. Jitendra, Mr. Jitendra Singh, right? He is live and he is part of our group. So he is the admin in our group. See how much he is making. That's why I am saying there are lots of people, lots of intellectuals in our Telegram group, and you can discuss many things in terms of market, in terms of technicals, in terms of analysis whatsoever, right? So if you want, you can join our Telegram group. I'm not going to say join the Telegram group. If you want, you can join the Telegram group. And in terms of our trading, let me show you our PNL. So as of now, this is our PNL as of now. In spite of Nifty coming down, in spite of their gap being gap down, still we are in profit, and hopefully maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow we have taken this trades on 6th March expiry. Hopefully we will be in profit. So this is not the actual profit. So if we want to go and see the actual profit, let me go to draft portfolio, and if you can see here, this is our actual profit what we have taken, right? So as of now it is around 21k, and maybe around next few days, if the market is flat or if the market is not moving anywhere, we might be able to make maybe another 2 or 3%. Or even if I tell you, even if in our people in our hand holding, if you can see here, this is our hand holding, and they are in a profit of around 12,000. 3,000 we have booked loss, and 12,000 they are in profit, and hopefully they will be in good profit as we near expiry is what we believe, right? So we'll see how things pan out. Today is a Sensex expiry, and Sensex expiry as you know is volatile and will be volatile. I think it is volatile, right? Yeah, it is volatile. Let me change this to a 5 minutes time frame so that you get an idea. Yeah, I'm sorry, it is not volatile. It is almost flat, which means these buggers have sold huge amount of out of the money call option and put option, so that market stays in same direction, right? See, they can do two things in terms of manipulation. When IV increases, when India VIX increases, or if you see premiums, we have told this in many videos, if you see huge premiums in on an expiry day, imagine, or you can understand that they are going to move the market. Or the other thing is, if there is no there is no premium at all, 30 rupees or 20 rupees on an expiry day, then you can understand they have sold, right? So high IV means they have bought either call option or put option, and the likelihood of market moving is very very high. And if they sell call option, you remember IV is very low, in turn premiums will also be very low, and there is every possibility that the market may not move, right? So that is it for Sensex. So we'll see how things work out. Till now 3 p.m. move has not happened. I'm sure 3 p.m. move will be on the downside. And don't think I'm talking negative. Whatever I'm talking is the thing which we want to share with you, or analysis we want to share with you, right? And the major uncertainty here is because of Trump, and because of trade wars, trade conflict between US China, US Canada, US Mexico, and they are retaliating, right? Because Trump is putting a 25% increase in tariff. Canada is also putting a tariff. Mexico is also putting a tariff. China is very worse. They really don't care whatsoever. They are putting huge tariff. Now imagine semiconductors, right? Semiconductors are coming from China. If this guy, this Trump does this, all this tariff increase, what is going to happen in terms of Apple, or what is going to happen in terms of Microsoft, or what is going to happen in terms of other things? Because major chunk of this what is that processors are made from China, right? So this somebody has to go and tell him what should be done, what should not be done. You can make America great again, you can loot other people, you can do whatever you want, but you have to be diplomatic, very diplomatic, which we are not seeing in terms of Trump, right? He is not at all diplomatic, he is outright, right? Even Zelensky Trump war, he was very, very outright. So that is a problem. When we are outright, we have see people telling you telling you wrong, telling very you are embarrassing people and making them skeptical, right? That is what is happening in terms of Trump issue, right? Unless until this Trump issue, trade war, conflict, uncertainty is not over, we are going to see volatility in the market. We will see how things work out. I've talked too much. I'll see you in yet another video. Be cautious, trade cautiously, and make sure you hedge your position. If you are not comfortable in what you are doing, or if you are not comfortable with the markets, I can tell you, don't trade in this markets. Stay in the sideline and see what is happening, so that at least your capital will be safe. Your capital is the first priority. You forget about opportunities, you forget about the market. Opportunities will come and go, but if you lose your capital, it is going to be very hard to regain your capital, right? So in this place, you can lose capital very fast, but to regain that capital, it is going to take a huge time, lot of time. So that's what I am trying to say, right? So trade safe. I'll see you in yet another video. Till then, take care. Bye.